Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share. I have about 10 cards that I've made the last couple of days that I wanted to share with you. So let's get started. So I wanted to share with you the items that I used, the products that I used. First up are these Pink Fresh Studio little gems, and they're called Glacier. And they're really cute. And then I used some of this big old roll of premium foam adhesive by scrapbook.com. I used one of my favorite sentiment sets. This is by far I've used this a ton of times, and I'm going to get to the point where all my cards are going to have one of these sentiments on it. And this is by Waffle Flower, and it's called Essential Sentiments, and it has a matching die set that you can purchase too. So happy birthday. I've used that a ton of times. This little cute hello, thinking of you. This is just a really awesome stamp and die set. And then from Gina Reed Designs, I used this die set, and I think it's called Wonky. Let's see together. Oh no, Rick Rack Nested Squares. So Rick nested squares, and you can see I have the circles on the other side. So use that die set on one of the cards. And then I guess I'm using what I'm calling my favorite die that I purchased recently, and this is this eyelet border by Pretty Pink Posh. I think I used that one there. This embossing folder, I believe this is from Spellbinders. It's kind of like a diamonds. And these birthday celebration sentiment inserts by Anna Griffin, I cut them down to size that whatever card that I need. And then I also use the sentiment card square inserts, square card sentiment inserts. Even though I'm having a really difficult time finding 5.5 by 5.5 craft color card bases. So if you guys know anywhere I can find them, I haven't been able to find them in Joann. I used to get them in Hobby Lobby, but of course Hobby Lobby didn't have those types of items anymore. So just really miss this square size. And then the star of the show, I don't even have anything to show you because I used the entire kit that collection that I had, and it's the 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Color Blush Mini Collection. So I was going through some of my papers, and I found this, and I had maybe 4 sheets of paper left and some of the punch out ephemera, and so I just love this paper, and so I thought, well, let me just go ahead and make a few cards. So let me share with you what I made. So first up, here's this cute little sweet card, and I have some bows, and I can't find them, the ones that I want to use. I had a bow on here, but I didn't like it, and I've already glued it down, so I couldn't put any twine in here. But I'm gonna find the bow that I'm looking for, and then I have some little jimmies on here, and this is a cut apart from that blush mini collection. It's already perforated for you. You just kind of poke it out, and so I use this little flower and this frame, and then this tag that came from the set, some paper from my stash. So super cute little card. And then here's one of the larger cut aparts or punch outs, or whatever you want to call them, that I used. I used some cardstock from my stash, this pink and brown. I thought it was really pretty. I have a couple of gemstones on here. And even though this is kind of big, I didn't think it needed much. I didn't even want to put a sentiment on it, but I thought it turned out super pretty. And then here's another one. It has these cute little butterflies, and then sentiment. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where that's from. Praying for you every day. I just cut a bunch of them out, and I'm not sure. And this is a little piece of the paper from the Blush Mini Collection, and these were the butterflies that were on there. And this is a piece of the cardstock, and then I backed it with some pink from my collection. And then on the inside, I thought I put a little butterfly, but I didn't. But this one says, praying for you every day, friends held together by friendship, love, a handful of crazy stories. And then the next card, this is where I used that border die for Pretty Pink Posh. This right here, I have this little piece with this really pretty flower on it, and I didn't want to throw this away. So I just used what I had, and then I put this border under it and some more of the paper. This is a leaf from the collection, some of that punch out, and then I put a jimmy there. I thought I had another one. Oh, two down here. And then the butterfly I covered with the Spellbinders. I think it's gluing gloss. I'm not sure what the name of that is, but I love it. And then some pink paper from my stash. But I love the dimension of this card, especially with the leaf raised up and the little sweet butterfly. Super pretty card. You feel weird about coloring your cards pretty? I do. And here's another one. Butterfly from the collection. I was gonna gloss this one up, but I decided not to and just put the little gloss on the little one. And in that kit, it had these little like fake paper sequins. So I really punched them out and I covered those in the glossy stuff from Spellbinders, as well as the sentiment and this little butterfly. But isn't that pretty? You don't need much with this paper. It's so beautiful. And this is how I put the sentiment from the Anna Griffin's collection. I just cut off, it's a folded sentiment, but I cut it off and then I size it to go on a 5x7 card. And I just think it kind of elevates, it kind of gives a little elegant look without having to stamp. That's my favorite part. And then here's the happy birthday. This is one of the Waffle Flower birthday sentiments. And once again, these are just pieces from the cutouts that you get with that Blush Mini collection, that really pretty butterfly. I kind of put the glossiness on that, but look at the paper. It's so pretty. It really is. And once again, one of the sentiments from Anna Griffin. Now on these sentiments, I don't glue these in. I use tape, to glue them down. I need to put some more on here, I see. But I think this paper is so thin, I don't think it would look good with glue, but I do need to put some more tape down on that one. And then here is the next one. And they had some little cut aparts that had some sentiments on them, but not too many of them really fit what I was going for. I did use this Absolutely Beautiful. And so this will go to one of my beautiful friends for their birthday. And then here's the cute little butterfly. And then once again, some of the paper sequins that I added the glossiness to them. And this paper, it looks like, you distressed it, but no, that's their design. I think this is just simply gorgeous. What do you think? And I think this is my favorite, probably because it's on the square card. That's just my favorite. And I just had a leaves from the collection. And then I put some silver gems that I have. And then I cut this out with the die set from, was it Gina Marie? Yeah, Gina Marie Designs. And the little butterfly, I put gloss on it. And then this is like a frame piece that was on the punch outs. And then I layered it with gold paper, and then the last piece of the little paper from the collection. So it turned out really cute. And then I have a couple of cards to share that wasn't part of the 49th and Market collection. I just made them, and I just wanted to share them with you. And this is a happy birthday that I had in my stash. I just pulled it out, and I thought, well, I'm going to use this. And then these Tim Holtz flowers that I die cut out. I really wasn't a big fan of those, but once I put them on this card, I think they really look pretty. So I ran the happy birthday through an embossing folder that was for polka dots, and I thought that kind of made it look really sweet. That's that card. And then one last card. So this is paper that I purchased at a local craft store. Only bought a sheet of it, but something about it made me buy it. And it's by American Craft. It's called A la Mode Key Lime. And it's this paper here. This is so pretty. I used the embossing folder that I showed you earlier. And then this happy birthday from Waffle Flower. And then this dice, I think it's this Spellbinders die that was in my stash that I cut out for some reason. But I thought this would make a really nice masculine card. What do you guys think? I really like the bold colors. And I had to cut it out on the paper exactly so I could have black on both ends to match the black circle. So I'm pretty sure I can get another card out of the paper. I know I can. So, but I was real particular on matching the black with the sentiment. So there's the cards that I wanted to share with you. What is your favorite? I think this is mine. And we have the cute little butterfly city. Look, 3 butterflies. Oh no, 4 butterflies. This collection had a lot of butterflies. And 5. And then 4 more, so 9. Butterfly city. So let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna find a bow to go with that. And I'll take a picture of this and put it on my Instagram account. And that's FP Handmade if you want to take a look at the finished card. But I wanted to go ahead and share with you today. So let me know which card you think is the prettiest. It was really nice talking with you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. The weather here in California is beautiful today. No rain. So I've been totally enjoying it. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.